Why HDB resale flats shouldn't be considered an investment. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a topic that's close to many Singaporean hearts, HDB flats. Specifically, I want to discuss whether HDB flats, especially the resale one, should be considered an investment. Many people believe that buying a resale HDB flat is a good investment, but is this really true? Let's find out. The first point will be the depreciation. The first reason why HDB resale flats might not be a good investment will be its depreciation. Unlike private properties, HDBs have a 99 years lease. As the lease runs down, the value of the property tends to decrease. This is particularly true for older flats, which might have less than 60 years remaining on their lease. As a result, buyers of older flats may have difficulty selling them in future, and they will also have to accept a lower price. All right, the point number two will be the limited rental income. Right, another reason why HDB resale flats might not be a good investment is that they have restriction on rental income. HDB owners must meet certain eligibility criteria to rent out their flats, and there are also limits on the number of years that the flat can be rented out. Additionally, the potential rental income from an HDB flat is generally lower than from a private property. Point number three that I want to point out will be the limited capital appreciation due to government intervention. While HDB flats may appreciate in value over time, the appreciation tends to be limited compared to private properties. This is due to various factors such as the restriction on ownership and the fact that the supply of HDB flats is controlled by the government. As a result, buyers of HDB flats may not see significant capital gain in the long term. Point number four, which is the most important point, will be the unfair competition from the newer BTOs. One of the reasons why HDB resale flats will not be a good investment option is because of unfair competition from new BTO flats. BTO flats are generally priced lower than resale flats and come with a fresh 99 years lease. This makes them more attractive to potential buyers as they offer better value for money. As a result, when a new BTO project is launched in your estate or nearby, it could lead in drop in demand for the resale flats in the area. This can cause the older resale flats prices to fall, making it harder for the resale flats owner to sell their flats or to achieve their desired asking price. This is a risk that sellers of resale flats may need to be aware of. So in conclusion, when you consider all these factors altogether, it becomes clear that HDB resale flats may not be the best investment option. While they may provide a place to live in and some even offer a slight potential gain of capital, the risk and limitation associated with them make them a less attractive investment vehicle as compared to the other option available. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.